up, YouTube? It is Ben here with Bearded Spruce for another weekly update. This week I am pretty excited because of two reasons. One, it is fall, so that means it is time to start wearing some flannels, break them out of the closet. Secondly, we are ripping off the entire belly pan. We're going to check out the rest of the frame, and to do that we got to pop a lot of rivets with a drill. It's going to be a ton of work just to get that belly pan dropped down, but I think it's going to be worth it in the long run to check everything out and just make sure everything has a good foundation before we start building up on the inside. A few weeks ago we did some demo in the back of the Airstream and realized that some of those crossbar members need to be replaced. I ordered a welder and I'm gonna start learning how to weld. While we're waiting for that to come in, I figured I'd drop the rest of the belly pan down and check out the rest of the frame down there. We did check out a little spot in the kitchen that I was worried about, and it actually looks really good. So I'm hopeful for the rest, but we gotta check it out and see. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button if you're enjoying this content. I really appreciate you guys. It's been really fun so far to make these videos and just see how many people enjoy watching them, but it's been really fun to be part of this community. Let's get started. In the demo, I'm gonna go grab my drill and some drill bits, because you know how many times those break when you're popping some rivets, and we'll get started. Well, we ripped off the entire belly pan and I got all the old pink insulation. I think you might be able to see the dust. I am so glad I wore some safety glasses and a mask. But I'll show you in a second. The good news is the rest of the frame is in pretty great shape. You know, it's a 1972, so obviously there has been some water seepage and a little bit of rust, but once I polish it with the grinder, I think I'll just paint it with some Rust-Oleum, you know, protection paint, and I'm pretty excited about how the rest of the structure looks. So that is awesome. I'm going to go take a shower and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so let's check out the frame. So as you can see, it's in pretty great shape. There's definitely a decent amount of rust here and there, but you can see here that I started sanding the frame and taking some of the rust off, and it looks pretty awesome underneath. So everything's looking pretty good and clean. No extra unrepairable damage. I might do some reinforcing, adding maybe a member in the middle here, but overall I'm pretty excited. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in this week. We are excited to continue this journey together, and next week we'll be starting to cut out the old members in the back. Hopefully we'll get the welder in so I can start practicing welding and we can get that structure taken care of. The other thing that we just got in is some more electrical components, the 30 amp outlet, as well as a few other things that we can start running some more electrical, and we can keep this Airstream project moving. I want to say, make sure anytime you do any kind of demo or construction project, you use safety equipment. I'll list all of the safety equipment that I use, including the glasses, the mask, the headphones that I use for ear protection, in the description below. Also, if you want to check out any of my other videos that I've done so far and kind of see the whole process, I'll put a link up here, and I would love it if you guys subscribe and hit that like button below the video. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next week.